Creative hero animation with Figma. Alright, here I have a pill shape and a transparent portrait. Let's transform that shape into a component and then create two variants. Go to the second variant and move it to the bottom left of my component array, like that. Now let's go and connect the first variant. Let's go to prototype, connect the first variant with the second one. Right, smart animate. After delay, navigate to change to. Let's go to prototype and connect the first variant with the second one. After delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy effect, and 1 millisecond. Next, let's connect the second variant with the third one. Pick after delay, 1 millisecond, and smart animate, bouncy effect, and 2000 millisecond. Alright, now let's go to portrait, transform into a component and create two variants and scale down the second image of the second variant. Now let's go to prototype and connect the first one with the second one. After delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy, and 1 millisecond. Now let's go and connect the second one with the third one. After delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy, and 2000 millisecond. Alright, now let's go to my main frame, go to assets, and pick my pill shape, and then my portrait, and select the main frame and hit play.